Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to do my first of cooking for two from the pantry. And this is going to be a super easy but still super good meal. So I'm going to make a salad from one of my bagged salad mixes, so I've got that. But the main thing I'm going to make is I've just got a small jar of home canned chicken. So I'm going to use that in the broth. You know what I'm going to do with that? I'm going to pour that over Snickers kibble tonight because he will like that little extra bit. And I've got some salsa, I've got some cheese, and I've got some flour tortillas. So I am simply going to mix my chicken with my cheese and some salsa, and then I'm going to fill these in, and then I'm going to grill them in my, brown them in my little electric skillet. So let me get I'm just going to use one of my big Pyrex measuring cups, and I'm going to mix all this up, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I poured that broth out for Snickers. It's a little treat for him. And now I'm just going to break that up. And this is the half pint. I do like to do little half pints of the chicken or meat when I can it too, because it's perfect for something like this. It's also perfect for, just a sandwich. If you're going to make a little sandwich, that's fine too. Let me get my, whoops, got to get a spoon so I can get the salsa out. Okay. So I'm going to get some salsa. And there's no measurement. It's just what I think needs to be in there, and that looks good. So now I'm going to mix that up. Oh, it might need some more. Can never have too much salsa in something. So let me get a little bit more. Home canned salsa, home canned chicken. And then I've got my skillet on, and I've got it sprayed with some spray oil. So that looks good. See, I'm going to mix that up nice. Now I might even put a little, if you have sour cream, it's good to put on top. And then sprinkle a little more cheese on there. A little cheesy right there. It's going to be so good. Okay. Now, we got that all mixed up. And of course you could do this with home canned pork or beef or anything. But this is just a dinner for two. Super simple, super easy, but still super yummy. Okay. Let me get my tortillas out. Get a couple. Brian will probably eat two, and I'll eat one of these. So I'll make three. There's one. Let me get the other one out. There you go, and you can see. So I'm going to divide this up evenly among the three. The cheese will melt, and it's going to be all yummy with the salsa. Let me get this one. Okay. And this doesn't take that long to cook, so that'll be good. And I like to just have it with a salad. Okay. Oop. Do your Snickers shake. Okay. Now I'm just going to pull this down and roll these up. Okay, there's one. That'll be mine. Not that hungry. I worked in the pantry all day today. But Brian went out and mowed the grass and stuff, so he's probably real hungry. So I'll make two for him. If you have the big tortillas, you could make, just two big ones. That's fine too. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in my electric skillet, and I'm going to brown it. So there we have it. I'll bring this over so you can see. So now I've just put those in there, and I'm going to let those brown, and then when they're brown on that side, I'll turn them over and brown this side. Meanwhile, I'm going to get the salad and the plates ready to go. So I'm going to pause you, and I'll come back when I've turned these over. See how they're going to brown up so nice there? So I'm going to brown these, and then I will be back. All right, that took about as long grilling here as it did for me to make the salad. So there's one. That'll be mine. And give Brian a couple. There we go. And now I'm going to take a little bit of sour cream and put on top. A little dollop of sour cream on there. So this is a half a pint of chicken and a little bit of the home canned salsa with flour tortilla. turned out perfect. Now, I'm going to put a little salsa on there because it's so good. Ooh, I got a spoon in my jar. I shouldn't have a spoon in my jar. I got to be careful. The metal spoons can scratch the inside of the jar, and you don't want that to happen. So, there we go. And now, I'm going to put a little bit of cheese on there. Sprinkle some cheese. So this whole meal probably took 10 minutes. And I think it looks pretty darn good. And I know it tastes good because I've made this before. So, there you have it. Little grilled chicken tuna or chicken salsa cheese grilled burritos. So good. Such an easy dinner, and there's dinner for two, cooking from the pantry. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.